Hi guys, today I got a delicious and creamy chicken pasta recipe. This is a highly requested recipe among my friends and family, and this recipe is so easy to make and the ingredients are so simple. Let's start the recipe. First of all, I'm heating a pan with 2 liters of water, and then I'm adding 1 tablespoon of salt in it, and I'm waiting up until the water is rolling boiling. Then I'm adding 1 cup of pasta and I'm cooking it until it's soft or al dente. So after that, I'm removing the cooked pasta with a little bit of pasta water in it because I need the saltiness from the pasta water. Now heat a pan to medium heat, and then I'm adding 1 tablespoon of butter to it, and when the butter gets melted, add 1 onion diced. We need to cook up until the onion is getting just softened up. After that, I'm adding 5 garlic cloves crushed. Now it smells amazing, guys. Now I'm adding half a kilo of chicken mince to the onion and garlic, and I'm cooking it up until the chicken has absorbed all the goodness from the garlic and onion. Now to the cooked mince, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of flour, and I'm just sauteing it up until the chicken is just coated with the flour. After that, I'm adding 1 cup of milk and just mixing it. So easy, right? And then it's the time to add the cooked pasta. So I add the pasta with a little bit of pasta water in it, and then half a teaspoon of chilli flakes into the pasta, and mix it all around. I need a little bit more salt, so 1 teaspoon of salt, and then 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs or Italian herbs, and then just mix. And finally, 2 handfuls of cheese. So here I'm using a blend of different sort of cheeses. And now switch off the flame and mix everything together. And serve it onto a plate. Now you can see that pasta is really coated with the white sauce, and it's so yummy and delicious. Don't forget to try this recipe, and also please like, share and subscribe, and let me know if you want to see any other recipes. Stay tuned. Bye bye.